What's up guys, welcome back. So in this video, I have a bunch of drift footage I got. Like, there's literally so much footage I couldn't even squeeze all in one video. So I chopped it down to what I thought was good. You can see a lot of progression and you can see a lot of different stuff that happened throughout the day. We started with the mini layout, basically running grid. It was like warm up, running by ourselves, single lap, and we'd go around twice. I guess that's not a single lap, but yeah, so we started grid warm up, and after that went to hot lapping, and then I had some ride-alongs. Both Josh and his girlfriend, if you remember Josh from last time, my man thought I was going to kill him. Well, I did it again. I took him in the truck with me, and he made it a couple laps, and I spun out in front of a train, and he had to take a breather.
Let me have the car, bitch.
So Taylor hopped in, and she had a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure that was her first drift event or doing anything like that. So there's a lot of good stuff. I have a little bit of 360 footage in there. I had a lot more, but it's really way too much of a pain for me to try to edit, and that's a whole nother story. So I also have a clip at the end. I had music playing, like I was blasting Metallica, and due to which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to leave this video up without getting it copyrighted. I might have to clip that out, but that video is on my YouTube, or my Instagram, I'm sorry. If you haven't seen that, check us out there as well at Street Terror Garage. But the truck did really well. I beat on it probably a little too hard. I progressed what I felt like it was a good amount just within the day. The sway bars did help a lot. However, I cut my exhaust way too close to my axle and ended up melting my sway bar bushing on the rear completely, and it came out of the bracket. And this happened, I'm estimating right after the beginning of hot lapping, because you can see the body roll is back with a vengeance in some of these clips after that. So, but it's whatever. I have it fixed now. The truck's back home, has been running good. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like, comment. So also, one thing I wanted to mention to you guys, I've started making like hoodies and stickers and shit like that. So I'm gonna have this stuff up for sale. I'll have a little shop up, streetterrorgarage.bigcartel.com. Check it out there if you want to cop one. They're not gonna be that expensive. I'm probably gonna run them for like 30 bucks. And either way, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video, copping anything from me, or you're interested. Appreciate that, and I always appreciate the support from you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's jump into it, man. So I kind of messed up right here. If you're on track, don't turn around and go the opposite way on track, even if it's to get to the exit. I should have just continued around the track like you'll see me do in the next couple of clips, but I kind of put myself and everybody else at risk here. That's pretty good fucking run. see me grab the seatbelt right here? This is because my seatbelt was so loose, I was flying around on the seat and it was actually distracting me while I was trying to drift, and it caused me to spin out. So you can see I went ahead and I pull it tight, but I kind of also take it as a lesson to make sure I get myself straight before I get on track from there on out. There's that thing up there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You're making space.
Got some cones that time. And she done good. Ready?
Yep.
this guy in real time, so I slowed it down. This dude right here is sitting in the middle of the track. So safest thing for me to do was just throw it to the side and just trash the run to avoid any type of collisions or close calls.
That guy stopped in the middle, scared me.
Yeah.
Whoops! I just crapped myself.
Yep.
Are you trying to kill me?
They gripped up.
Yeah, that's right.
You good?
Yeah.
I never scared you or anything. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hit a wall. I don't plan to. Knock on wood.
I think we'll be okay. Even if it's good.
That was a close one.
Thanks guys for checking out the video. Drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Check us out on Instagram. Check out the shop. Make sure you, if you want to cop some merch, support your mans. But regardless, man, I appreciate y'all's support and you checking me out. So until next time, man. Peace.